All right, I'm at 23 yards, and I've got a steel silhouette and a 10-inch steel plate down there that I'm going to try to shoot with the Glock 43 and the Smith and Wesson 40. Sorry about that, out of frame. So what we'll do is we're going to pan around here, and 23 yards away is the silhouette target and the 10-inch plate. The silhouette is 20, I believe. I'm not sure of the dimensions. I don't want to mislead anybody, but yeah, the silhouette and the 10-inch plate. So that's 23 yards. So we're going to see if we can hit those. So here we go. All right, so here we go. 23 yards. We'll start off with, if I can get my hearing protection in, get my shit together here. We'll start off with the Glock 43. All right, 23 yards. Here we go. Make sure we're in frame. 23 yards, Glock 43. We'll go silhouette first. It's the larger target. Here we go. All right, now we're going to go for the 10-inch plate, 23 yards. One hit. One hit. All right. Same distance, M&P 40, 23 yards, silhouette. Here we go. Miss. Hit. Hit. 10-inch plate. Hit. Hit. Not bad. All right, Glock 43, 27 yards. Here we go. Miss. 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 All to the left. High. Left. 5 misses with the Glock 43 at 27 yards. 27 yards, M&P 40. Here we go. Hit. 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 I'm going for the 10-inch plate. Hit. So, all hits on the silhouette, 1 hit on the 10-inch plate. You know we're going to have to try the Glock again, so stand fast. All right, Glock 43, second time around, 27 yards. Here we go. Hit. Hit. Miss. 10-inch plate. Miss. Miss. All right, we got a couple hits that time, huh? That's better than nothing. So, drop my mag. Couple hits with the 43, 27 yards. Do we push it back again? Let's try 30. Let's see what happens. All right, we're at 30 yards from the silhouette and the gong target, the 10-inch gong. So we're going to pan around so we can show you what we're looking at here. 30 yards. We'll zoom in. So there's the silhouette and there's the gong 30 yards away. So let's see what we come up with. All right, Glock 43 first. 30 yards. Here we go. 30 yards, Glock 43. Let's see what we come up with. like they were low left, except for the one hit, obviously. So M&P 40, 30 yards. Here we go. Hit. Hit. Those were all silhouette. We're going to go for the 10-inch plate. Here we go. And a miss. Only had 4 rounds left. So that was kind of cool, right? 27 or 23, 27, and 30 yards. Couple hits, couple misses. Not too shabby. This is Tele 2 Bravo. Till I see you at the range again.